but there is a list that I have of stuff that I want to get. So of course I'm going to show you guys what I get later. But yeah, let's go ahead and get shopping. So cool. Got it like that, and that one. Would you say that? Oh, even this one. How cute is this little trinket ball? So cute. I'm getting this one. I think it's like $7.99 or $9.99. I'm putting it on that oh shoot, that shelf above my desk. I got this one at home too. Okay guys, so I am back from the store. First off, this is the next day. So I'm back from HomeGoods because I went to HomeGoods today. I did pick up a few items. Also, I want to show you guys what I got from Ikea yesterday. Let's just say I went into Ikea, y'all, with a list, thinking I was going to be able to get everything that I wanted. But no, unfortunately, they didn't have everything that I wanted to get. So I went to HomeGoods today to see if they had some stuff. I did end up picking up a few items, so I want to show you guys what I got. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into the haul. So the first two items, and that's items with an S because it's the same item, but I got two pillow inserts, and this is a 50 by 50 centimeters or a 20 by 20 inch. This is what it looks like. These were only $3, y'all. I bought these because I plan to do a DIY project, some decorative pillows, and it's probably going to be much cheaper. Well, I'm going to try it out. I'm going to see if it's cheaper for me to make my pillows than to buy them in the store. So we're going to see. But also from Ikea, I got this white planter or pot. Yeah. I got this. This was only, I want to say it was $2.99. I bought this because y'all know I buy faux plants. I just can't do the real plants, and I'll be wanting to sit in something cute because they just come in like the little solid black pot. But speaking of faux plants and always buying faux plants, look at my new baby. Another one. Y'all, this one is so long. It's super cute. I specifically went for this for sure because I know that I needed one like this. I have this floating shelf above my desk, and this is perfect for the space. I want to say this was $9.99. I believe so. I think I got the receipt. But Yeah, I want to say that was $9.99. Yeah, so these were $3. The plant pot was $2.99, and then the bulb plant was $9.99. So yeah, that was all that I ended up getting from Ikea. From HomeGoods, I specifically went for candles and organizing stuff. So I bought these 2 candles. This one is pumpkin spice, and this one, the scent is onyx. Y'all, let me tell y'all, the pumpkin spice one smells really good. Like, I'm not a big fan of pumpkin scented stuff, but this one here, and I'm burning one now, it's called Pumpkin Bourbon by the same brand. It smells so good. It smells so good. So go to HomeGoods and try to find that scent. And then this one is called Onyx, and oh man, this one smells like some soap or something. I don't know. It smells like some soap, but it smells really good. And then lastly, I got this acrylic organizer container, and this one was $7.99. By the way, the candles were $6.99 each, but I bought this specifically to go under my kitchen sink to put my cleaning products in, because they're starting to look really crowded and cluttered under the sink, and I felt like it needed some organization down there. So yeah, I bought one of these. I also use these in my fridge. Smaller versions, half cut, but I use them in my fridge, like in this picture. Yeah, can't really see it, but yeah, so that's what I'm gonna use this for. So I will highly recommend, if you need to organize up under your sink, pantries, fridge, whatever, go and get these acrylic organizers, because it's perfect to find what you're looking for, because you can see straight through. You don't have to worry about trying to dig through. No, none of that. So yeah, recommend. They sell these at HomeGoods, Target, Walmart, Burlington, TJ Maxx, everywhere. Okay, Ross, everywhere. They got